Hello, welcome to Exploring Interactive Video Tools. I will be your facilitator. My name is Ann Musgrove. I look forward to working with you and learning from you, as well as going through all this great content that we have up here, courtesy of the Online Learning Consortium. So here's a quick tour of the course. We only have 3 days for this workshop, so we really got to get moving and get moving quick. We'll go over the workshop syllabus in a second, but it's right here and it's in Adobe PDF format. So you might need to download that free Adobe Reader if you don't already have it on your local machine. This is the news forum where I will post announcements all 3 days, and you can always get those because you're automatically enrolled in those. Oh, and I almost went past the help form. This is where you can post any questions you have for me, and I will try to help you. And if anybody else knows the answer to the question, you can pop in and help each other as well. But it's mostly my responsibility to be there, and I will help you if you need it. The first activity is to introduce yourself. And then after you introduce yourself right here by clicking on the discussion here, then you will look at a presentation on the introduction to interactive videos and some required readings, and then there are a lot of different resources that you can look at, but you only need to pick one of them. Remember, you have access to this workshop for a year. So considering it's a 3-day workshop, you may very well want to jump in later and look at these again after our 3 days are up. On day 2, that would be Thursday, you will actually create your own interactive video. There's another reading here, some optional, some required. And then on the 3rd day, or earlier if you wish, we'd like you to post your video and respond to 2 of your peers. So let's jump over to the syllabus for a second. And here is the syllabus for exploring interactive video tools. This is a really fun workshop. I have facilitated it 3 times now, so it's very enjoyable and you're really going to like it. You'd be amazed at how simple it is to use some of these tools. So the learning objectives are to discuss how interactive videos can engage learners and promote active learning, and you will create an interactive video content to support your teaching. No late assignments are submitted, will be accepted unless you arrange with me ahead of time, in which case just send me an email, which you can find in my profile, and we can talk about it depending on what's happening in your life, of course. So on Wednesday, the workshop opens, you introduce yourself, you poke around and get oriented to the online classroom, and you explore your interactive video tools for your project. Then on Thursday, you complete another required reading, you work on developing your interactive video, and on Friday, you complete the development of your interactive video and you post a link to your completed video on the discussion board, and you provide feedback to the videos posted by at least 2 of your classmates. And that is due by January 16th. It says here that they'd like the discussion board to be posted no later than 7 and that your 2 responses to other students be posted no later than 11:59 p.m. Those times are in your time zone. I'm on East Coast time, but if you're on West Coast time or you're in any other time zone, please take those times and put them into your time zone, and that will be fine. I am looking forward to teaching this workshop, working with you. I think it'll be a lot of fun, and I will post a transcript of this in the news forum, and I will post a multimedia announcement similar to this one on Thursday and Friday. See you online.